Right, in this video, we're going to discuss molecular mass. So, molecular mass is the sum of the atomic masses of the atoms in molecules. So, example which is the ethanol. So, C2H5OH, find the molecular mass of ethanol. So, we need to find molecular mass of ethanol. So, you need you need to bring a periodic table to make sure that these elements are listed in a molecular weights. So, but for me, I'm going to memorize periodic table. Also the molecular weights of each element. So I don't need a periodic table now. So let's begin. So molecular mass of C2H5OH so equals the subscript of carbon is 2, so 2 times the molecular weight of carbon, which is 12.01 grams per mole, plus what is the subscript of hydrogen, which is 5, so 5 times what is the molecular weight of hydrogen, which is 1.008 grams per mole, plus 16 grams per mole, plus 1.008. So 2 times 12.01 plus 5 times 1.008 plus 16 plus 1.008 grams per mole equals 2 times 12.01 plus 5 times 1.008 plus 16 plus 1.008 is equals to 46.068. 46.068 grams per mole of ethanol C2H5OH. You need to round off it, so 46.07 grams per mole of C2H5OH, and this is the molecular mass of C2H5OH. So that is your final answer. Then how about formula mass? Formula mass, it is used to express the mass of compounds which contain both positive ion and negative ion are termed ionic compounds. So example, the sodium chloride, find formula mass of this compound. So as we said, formula mass of sodium chloride. So 23, sodium has a 1 subscript, so it's a 23 plus what is the chlorine, which is 35.45 is equals to 23 plus 35.45 is equals to 58.45 grams per mole of sodium chloride. So this is the formula mass of sodium chloride. So that is your final answer. Okay, this is it. That is a formula mass. formula mass combines positive and negative anion. Okay? Please like and subscribe